Are you tired of feeling cramped and cluttered in your own home? Do you constantly find yourself searching for that one missing item, only to realize it's buried under a pile of clutter? Well, fear not. Today, we're going to show you how to maximize your space and create a more organized and functional home with our top 10 frugal home organization hacks. Hack 1. Utilize vertical space. Are you ready to take your organization game to new heights? Well, Hack 1 is all about utilizing that often overlooked vertical space in your home. That's right, we're talking about those empty walls, ceilings, and even the back of doors. Trust us, this is one hack that will have you thinking outside the box, or shall we say, off the floor. First things first, let's talk about shelves. Whether you're using floating shelves, wall-mounted shelves, or even ladder shelves, adding extra storage space to your walls is a game changer. Not only do they free up floor space, but they also add a touch of style to your home. From displaying your favorite books and trinkets to storing your kitchen essentials, the possibilities are endless. Another great way to utilize vertical space is by using stackable bins. Whether you're storing shoes, toys, or even your laundry, stackable bins are a great way to create more storage space while keeping things tidy and organized. Plus, they come in a variety of sizes and colors, so you can choose the perfect fit for your home. But it's not just about shelves and bins. You can also use vertical space for hanging items such as pots and pans in the kitchen, or even clothes in your closet. The key is to think creatively and make use of every inch of space available. So don't let your walls and ceilings go to waste. By utilizing vertical space, you'll be amazed at how much storage and organization you can add to your home without taking up valuable floor space. Give it a try and see the difference it makes. Hack 2. Repurpose items for organization. First on the list, mason jars. These versatile little containers are perfect for storing everything from spices and herbs to craft supplies and even small toys. Not to mention, they add a touch of rustic charm to any room. And the best part? They're inexpensive and easy to find. Another great item to repurpose for organization is an old ladder. Not only does it add a touch of vintage charm to any room, but it also creates a unique and functional space for hanging twelves, blankets, or even clothes. If you're looking for a way to organize your bags, try using a tension rod and shower curtains rings. This hack is a great way to store your bags without taking up valuable closet space. The possibilities are endless when it comes to repurposing items for organization. From using an old wine rack as a shoe rack to using an old hanger as a jewelry organizer. The key is to think creatively and see the potential in everyday items. So before you go out and buy new storage solutions, take a look around your home and see what items you already have that can be repurposed. You'll be amazed at how much you can save and the unique touch it will bring to your home. Hack 3. Use clear containers for easy identification. This simple hack will save you time, reduce clutter, and give you peace of mind. Clear containers come in all shapes and sizes, from plastic bins to glass jars, and everything in between. They're perfect for storing everything from pantry items to craft supplies and even tools. The best part, you can see exactly what's inside, which means you'll never have to search for that missing item again. But clear containers aren't just for storage, they're also great for organization. Use them to sort small items like buttons, beads, or even screws and nails. This way, you'll always know where to find what you need. Another great way to use clear containers is for meal prep. Use them to store and organize your ingredients, and you'll be able to see at a glance what you have on hand. Plus, they're great for taking your meals on the go, whether it's to work or school. So don't let clutter and disorganization rule your life. By using clear containers, you'll be able to see what you have, find what you need, and take the first step towards a more organized and functional home. Give it a try, and you'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Hack 4. Create a designated drop zone. A drop zone can be as simple as a basket by the front door or as elaborate as a mudroom. The key is to have a designated area where you can drop off your belongings as soon as you walk through the door. This way, you'll never have to worry about losing your keys or phone again. A drop zone can also be a great way to keep your home organized. Use it to store items like shoes, bags, or even mail. This way, you'll always know where to find what you need. Plus, it will help to reduce clutter and make your home more functional. But a drop zone isn't just for practical purposes, it can also be a great way to add a touch of style to your home. Use a vintage trunk or a wooden bench to add a touch of charm to your entryway. Hack 5. Make use of hidden storage. First up, under the bed storage. This hack is perfect for storing items that you don't use very often, like out of season clothing or extra bedding. Plus, you can use clear containers to make it easy to see what's inside. Another great hidden storage hack is to use a storage ottoman. Not only does it add extra seating to your room, but it also provides a great place to store items like blankets or even shoes. If you're short on closet space, consider using a hanging rod and shower curtains rings to store your bags. This hack is a great way to store your bags without taking up valuable closet space. So, don't let the clutter take over your home. By making use of hidden storage, you'll be able to keep your home organized and functional. Plus, it will add a touch of mystery and intrigue to your home. Give it a try, and you'll be amazed at how much extra space you have. Hack 6. Label everything. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Labeling is a powerful tool when it comes to organization. It helps you to quickly identify what's inside and where it belongs. Plus, it eliminates the guesswork and saves you time. You can use a label maker or even a simple piece of tape and a marker to label your items. You can label your pantry items, your tools, even your kids' toys and dresser drawers. It's an easy and effective way to keep track of everything and to know where everything belongs. Labeling is also a great way to add a personal touch to your home. You can use different colors, fonts, and even pictures to create a unique and stylish look. Hack 7. Use over-the-door organizers. Over-the-doctor organizers come in a variety of forms, from shoe organizers to purse organizers and even towel racks. They're perfect for adding extra storage to your bedroom, bathroom, or even your kitchen. One of the best things about over-the-doctor organizers is that they're easy to install and can be removed without leaving any damage. Plus, they come in a variety of sizes and styles, so you can choose the perfect fit for your home. Another great way to use over-the-door organizers is for your kids' room. You can use it to store toys, books, and even clothes. This way, you'll always know where to find what your kids need. Hack 8. Use a hanging rod for clothes or bags. The hanging rod is a great way to store clothes, bags, and even hats. You can use it in your closet, in your entryway, or even in your bathroom. They're perfect for adding extra storage without taking up valuable floor space. One of the best things about hanging rods is that they're easy to install and can be removed without leaving any damage. Plus, they come in a variety of sizes, so you can choose the perfect fit for your home. Another great way to use a hanging rod is to store your bags. You can use it to store your purse, your shopping bags, or even your suitcases. This way, you'll always know where to find your bags and they won't take up valuable closet space. Hack 9. Use drawer dividers. Drawer dividers come in a variety of forms, from plastic dividers to cardboard dividers, and even wooden ones. They're perfect for adding extra organization to your drawers, whether it's in the kitchen, the bathroom, or even your office. One of the best things about drawer dividers is that they're easy to install and can be removed without leaving any damage. Plus, they come in a variety of sizes and styles, so you can choose the perfect fit for your drawers. Another great way to use drawer dividers is for your kids' room. You can use it to store toys, books, and even clothes. This way, you'll always know where to find what your kids need. So, don't let your drawers be a source of chaos and confusion. By using drawer dividers, you'll be able to keep your drawers organized and functional. Give it a try, and you'll be amazed at how much easier it is to find what you need and how much more space you have. Plus, it will add a touch of style and personality to your home. Hacked in. Use a pegboard for tools or craft supplies. Are you ready to take your organization game to the next level? Hack-Eaton is all about utilizing the power of the pegboard. This simple yet effective storage solution is perfect for adding extra space to your home without taking up valuable floor space. A pegboard is a great way to store your tools, craft supplies, and even your kitchen utensils. You can use it in your garage, in your workshop, or even in your kitchen. They're perfect for adding extra storage without taking up valuable floor space. One of the best things about pegboards is that they're easy to install and can be customized to fit your needs. You can add hooks, shelves, and even baskets to create a unique and functional storage solution. Plus, they come in a variety of sizes so you can choose the perfect fit for your home. Another great way to use a pegboard is to store your craft supplies. You can use it to store your yarn, your paintbrushes, or even your beads. This way, you'll always know where to find what you need, and you can easily access it when you need it. So don't let your walls go to waste. By using a pegboard, you'll be able to add extra storage and organization to your home without taking up valuable floor space. Give it a try, and you'll be amazed at how much extra space you have and how easy it is to access your tools and supplies. Plus, it will give a unique and interesting touch to your home. Well, friends, that concludes our journey through the top 10 frugal home organization hacks. We hope you found some inspiration and new ideas for making the most of your space. But the journey doesn't end here. If you're ready to start improving your financial well-being, take action now. Check the first link in the description for our Frugal Living ebook. Our comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about living a frugal and rewarding life, including creating a budget, identifying areas for cost cutting, and finding affordable alternatives to everyday expenses. It's never too late to start making smart financial decisions.